In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add videos and GIF animations in Figma UI Designs. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow so you can bring motion into your mockups and make your prototypes feel more lifelike, all without leaving Figma. First, open the Figma website in your browser and sign in so you can access your projects. Using a modern browser helps everything run smoothly. Once you're in, open the design file where you want to showcase your video or GIF. It's helpful to have the frame or component ready where the media will live, like a hero section, a product card, or an onboarding screen, so placement is quick and deliberate. Next, open Actions in Figma. This is the command palette that lets you quickly find features and tools. You'll see a search field appear at the top of the interface. In that search space, navigate to Plugins. This narrows your options so you can quickly find the tool we need. The plugin we're using today is called Anima. Type Anima, select it from the results, and then click Run. This opens the Anima plugin panel right inside Figma so you can work without switching apps. If you already use Anima, you'll know it's great for adding rich media into designs while keeping your workflow familiar. With the Anima panel open, locate the file you want to add. You can choose a video file, like an MP4 or an animated GIF. Pick the asset that best matches your design's intent. Videos tend to look smoother and support sound in some workflows, while GIFs are lightweight and loop nicely for small UI moments. Keep an eye on file size so your prototype stays snappy. Shorter clips and optimized GIFs are easier to work with. Select the frame or layer in your design where the media should sit, then choose your file from your computer through the Anima panel. The plugin will place it in your selected area, preserving the layout you already created. After placing your media, check the alignment and scaling so it fits your design grid. If the clip loops, confirm that it complements the interaction rather than distracting from it. Clear layer naming can help keep your file organized, especially if you plan to hand this off to a teammate or iterate later. That's all there is to it. Open Figma, open your design, use actions to find plugins, run Anima, and then locate your video or GIF to add it right where you need it. With this approach, your UI designs will instantly feel more dynamic and real.